Hi, I'm Greg and I like a good burger. I have the most amazing shiitake mushroom burger, very light, full of beautiful vitamins, full of nutritional value. So let's get building. We've got plant-based brioche roll. We're gonna top this roll with the whipped red pepper and walnut sauce. Massive dollop of butterbean, thyme and lemon goes on top. We're gonna put some beautiful gem leaves. I actually grow them in my own garden, believe it or not. Then we're gonna top this with the shiitake burger, followed by the most amazing cucumber relish. Is that amazing that you need 2 teaspoons? Then you're gonna have some in-season red beetroot, ginger and rhubarb relish. I'm gonna top this really gently there. And then you can customize this to your liking. We've got some sauerkraut, of course, on Polish. We're gonna have sauerkraut on the menu. You can use pickled red onions or you can use pickled gherkins. I'm gonna have gherkin, sauerkraut, and lots of it. And then I'm gonna have some crispy onions and speckle of pickled red onions. Top with American mustard. And that's your burger. The recipe and the ingredients are in the description below.